We'll start from line number 293, that is Antonio's speech. And how does your content tender your own good fortune? That means, are you satisfied with the fortune just you have got? So, just tell me your satisfaction regarding your good fortune from here on. Because Ferdinand is dead, according to them, so there is a great chance for this Sebastian to be the future king of Naples in case of death of Alonso. Sebastian, I remember you to supplant your brother Prospero. I remember you made your brother refuge. That means you banished your brother Prospero. Antonio, true. And look how well my garments sit upon me. Here garments mean the kingly garment. So look the garment of my brother. That means here garment means the post of my brother sit very nicely upon me, much faster than before. Here faster stands for better than before. My brother's servants were then my fellows, now they are my men. Previously, my brother's servants were my fellows, friends, but now they are my men. That means they are working as my servant. Here men stands for servant. Sebastians, but for your conscience, okay, that's fine. But does your conscience fit with your action? Does your conscience allow you to do like that? Antonio, yes sir, where lies that? Where lies that means where is conscience? If it were a cave, just like it is a sore on the heel as it is a pain, it would put me to my sleeper. That means conscience, if we listen too much to my conscience, then it would be a kind of painful action to me. So I don't listen to my conscience. That is just like a sore, a pain to my heel, feet. But I feel not the deity in my body. I feel not the deity, the God, in my bosom means chest. Even don't have the fear of the God for doing so. 20 conscience that will stand between me and Milan. Candid be they. Candid stands for frozen. My conscience is frozen. And if I talk about conscience, then I will never be the king of Milan. There will be 20 types of conscience that will prevent me to be the ultimate authority of Milan. So conscience first it is frozen and now it is melted before they molest. Before the conscience tortured me, I froze them and then melted them. Here lies your brother. Brother means Alonso, he is sleeping in front of him. No better than the earth he lies upon. He is just like the earth, the soil. His body is made of soil and he will go to soil, and he is no better than this. If he were the witch, how he is like, that is dead. Whom I, with this obedient steel, 3 inches of it, can lay to bed forever. Obedient steel stands for dagger. 3 inches of it, that means if I penetrate 3 inches of this very dagger into his chest, then he will be dead. He will be no more valuable than this soil. While you, doing thus, to the perpetual wink of eye, might put this ancient morsel. So, while you doing thus, if you do so, to the perpetual wink for eye, might put the ancient morsel. That means, what you can do, perpetual wink means the everlasting sleep or death. Okay, it is written wink of eye. Here AYI means always. Okay, so closing of eyes might put the ancient morsel, old piece of meat. So within a little period of time, what you can do, you can kill your brother and you can make him sleep forever. This Sir Prudence, he is pointing at this. Prudence means intelligent fellow, who is Gonzalo, who should not upbraid our course, and he should not disturb this action. For all the rest, they will take suggestion as a cat laps milk. They will tell the clock to any business that we say befits the hour. So our action will be that much. For the rest, all the people will be so much interesting. The way cat licks the milk, all the people will take the suggestion to become the king. The way Antonio banished his brother, and that same action to be followed by Sebastian too, that Antonio wants. And all the people in the future also will take suggestion like this, just like the cat is attracted towards the milk. They'll tell the clock to any business that we say befits our hour. Okay, befit stands for benefit. Okay, they will tell the clock to any business. Tell the clock means tell the time. Next, Sebastian, your case, dear friend, shall be my precedent. Shall be my precedent means example. As you got Milan, I will come by Naples. The way you receive Milan from your brother, I will take Naples from Alonso. Draw thy sword, your sword. One stroke shall free you from the tribute which you pay. And I, the king, shall love you. So one stroke you give to this Alonso, and the tribute you have paid, the money you have paid, and the sacrifice you have done for this Alonso, that will go forever. You will get all those things back. So one stroke of your sword and you will be out of any kind of obligation. And when he will be king, Sebastian, he will love him forever. Draw together. Draw together, and when I rear my hand, do you like to fall it on Gonzalo? So let us kill Gonzalo first. Sebastian, oh, but one word. The confers effort, re-enter, radial, invisible. My master, through his art, foresees the danger that you, his friend, are in, and send me forth. For else he projectiles to keep themselves alive. Signs in Gonzalo's ear. So telling that your friend is going to die soon. So kindly be with them. While you were do snoring lie, open-eyed conspiracy. When you are snoring and sleeping, other people made conspiracy against you. His time doth take, if of life you keep care, shake of slumber and be aware, awake, awake. If you keep care of your friend's life, be aware, and shake of slumber, slake of sleeping, and go to your friend. Antonio, let us both be sudden. Antonio, Gonzalo, alert, waking now. Good angels, preserve the king, let the king save him. And how now to Alonso? Oh, awake to Sebastian. Why are you drawn? Where of this ghastly looking? Why are you looking like this? Alonso, what is the matter? So up to this particular line, 340. So let us conclude here today. Next video will come with the ending of this particular scene. Whilst we stood here, securing your purpose, even now we heard a hollow burst of bellowing like bulls, or rather lions. Did it not wake you? I struck mine ears mostly terrible. So when we are guarding you, when you are sleeping, we heard a terrible sound, a loud sound, just like the sound produced by wolves, or rather like lions. And they did not wake you up? Alonso, I heard nothing. Antonio, oh, it was a din to fright a monsters here. Din means noise, to frighten. It was too powerful to make a monster afraid, to make an earthquake sure, to make earthquake. It was the roar of a whole herd of lion. It sounds not like lion, but the entire herd of lion or pride of lion. Alonso, heard you this, Gonzalo? Gonzalo, upon mine honor, sir, I heard a humming. I did not hear anything very powerful. Instead, it seemed like someone or something was humming. And that a strange one too, which did wake me. And it was a strange humming, so I wake up. They were in such much sleep that he did find it a humming of bird. I shaked you, sir, cried. As mine eyes opened, I saw their weapons drawn. As I opened my eyes, I find the weapons drawn. There was a noise, that is verily. It means true. It was best we stand upon our guard, or that we quit this place. It is better we quit this place or stand. Let's draw our weapon, take out our weapon. Something dangerous is going to happen here. Alonso, lead off this guard and let us make further search for my portion. So my portion means Ferdinand. Let us search for Ferdinand. Let us away from here. Let us go away from here and search for Ferdinand. Gonzalo, heavens keep him from this beast. God should save this Ferdinand from this beast. The sound, actually, the sound was produced by Ariel, for he is sure in the island. I am sure he is in the island. Alonso, lead away. Go away from here. Let us leave this place. Prospero, my lord, shall know what I have done. Only my lord Prospero knows what I have done. O king, go safely on the sick of thy son. So, king, go from here and search safely for your son. Thank you.